keto lasagna using Palmini Hearts of Palm lasagna sheets. Coming up next on this episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Alright, you guys, so we are going to start with our ricotta cheese mixture. So this is just 1 thing of whole milk ricotta cheese from Aldi, only 2 grams of carbs. We're just going to add the entire container right down in here. So, and this is a 15-ounce container. And then we're going to go in with some Philadelphia cream cheese. Now, this is a really big one because I get it from Costco, but we're going to go with, I would say, about 4 ounces of cream cheese. And this just thickens everything up and adds so much flavor. Then we're going to go in, this is some shredded Parmesan cheese, also from Aldi. I go with about a half of a container. This is 5 ounces, so 2.5 ounces of that Parm. Some Italian seasoning, about 1 tablespoon. Not too much, but you know, I like things seasoned. And some powdered garlic right in there. I would say about a tablespoon of that as well. Jeez, this is not. And then 1 egg. Right in. Put it on our wazzer. Do you guys have names for your KitchenAid? I know some people do. Now start it on, oh, can you guys see that? There you go. Start it on 1. You will regret it if you don't. 1. See that? Nice and slow. Easy does it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 2, 3. Now we're cooking with gas. Now let her rip. Perfect. Alright, you guys, so again, we are using lasagna noodles or lasagna sheets from Palmini today. I've never used these. They are not a sponsor. We're not affiliated. I got these off of Amazon, and I've never actually opened them or even seen them. But they're hearts of palm, and they look like this. There is some liquid in there. I'm just going to drain that off really quickly. So, oh, you should probably want to know the carb counts. So this is 4 grams of carbs with 2 grams of fiber. So there's only 2 net carbs in this. I'm just going to put these right in this stainless steel bowl because I don't even know how much I'm going to use. So I'm going to start with 1, and I'm going to line the bottom of this just like so.
Top and bottom, or are you going to...
Jarrell is here.
Oh, I didn't even know.
Jarrell is here.
Oh, I didn't know you were recording. I was just
No, I just started. He's very interested. He's like, how many are in there? This is a rare moment. Jarrell's in the kitchen. Yeah, so we do get a lot. I actually think I can do a small lasagna with only 1 can. So this is the pasta sauce that I made earlier, if you guys watched that video. And we're just going to start layering. I have a buttered baking dish, and we're going to start with a little bit of red sauce right in the bottom. And actually, on the other side of the kitchen, in the canner, there are 8 jars of this going to go on our shelves. That way I don't have to buy pasta sauce for a long time. This is our cheese mixture. Just gonna put some of that on there. Hopefully this is delicious. Jarrell is a big fan of of lasagna, and you know we had those Nuda pasta noodles, and I made like a baked noodle pasta situation, and that was amazing. I'm just gonna use half of this cheese mixture. Get it all the way to the edges, because if you don't, someone is gonna feel super cheated. And since there's only 2 of us, that means it's one of us, and I am not okay with that. So, cheese mixture, gonna go in with some mozzarella. We're actually probably just gonna finish this bag. Maybe this bag and some more, because you know, it's not easy being cheesy. So, I'll let you guys know texture-wise how this goes, because I've never had these. I'm actually really excited to try because this is super low carb, but also really easy. I mean, 2 net carbs is really, really good. So that's your layer. There's already meat in the sauce. I'm gonna do that again. All right, guys, so this is all done and ready for the oven. I got not 1, not 2, but 3 layers out of 1 can of Palmini noodles. And at first, I can't remember how much I paid for them because I had to get 3 in 1. But I know they carry them at Walmart, and I think they're around $3 or $4 a can. But honestly, what a value, because I really thought I would need more than 1. I almost opened 2. So, yeah. Oh, and if you're curious what's in them, it's literally just hearts of palm. There's no other, no other crazy stuff. It is super clean, and what an easy and fast way to make lasagna. Now my cans are, my canner just opened, so I'm gonna go get the sauce out of the can. Guys, I'm so excited. It's like 8 o'clock at night, and we just got a knock on our door, and I was like, how could this be Amazon? But it was my perfect keto order. So I got the variety pack of nut butters. There's almond butter and jelly. This is nut butter made with almond, macadamia, berries, and MCT oil. I'm so excited for this. 180 calories, carbohydrates 11, dietary fiber 5, and look at these ingredients. Almonds, macadamia nuts, erythritol, blueberry powder, strawberry powder, raspberry powder, MCT oil, dragon fruit powder, cinnamon, sea salt, lemon powder, citric acid. Literally, this is so clean. So I got that one. I got the snickerdoodle. Come on, nut butter made with almond, cashew, macadamia. And these are the macros on that. 4 dietary fiber and 9 carbs, so super low carb. And it comes with the chocolate hazelnut. Come on, Nutella! Nut butter made with hazelnut, cashew, macadamia nut, and MCT oil. So these are the cleanest peanut butters or nut butters that you can get. And, guys, the salted caramel keto collagen. If you are not taking collagen for your joints, hair, nails, your skin, like literally this does a number on your skin. And if you're on keto, you really should just be, everyone should be taking collagen if I'm being frank. But this tastes amazing. I'm going to be putting this in my coffee. This is the macros. I cannot stress enough how amazing this is. So I'm going to be using this in upcoming videos because I just use it anyway. I just was out of it. If you guys are interested in Perfect Keto products, check down in the description box. You can get a discount. It's at BoosCruize, or not at BoosCruize. It's BoosCruize is the discount code. Go over there, get it, and tell me what you think. I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, guys, the lasagna is donezo. So you know what time it is. Babe, you have to come help me dish it up because I'm filming. All right, so Jarrell is going to be getting him a piece of this Palmini lasagna. I will say it's like setting up is difficult. Like it was, oh yes, oh my god. Do you see that? Yeesh. Look at that action. Come on.
I think I left out a lot. Ooh,
oh my goodness.
I think I left out
Hold on, let us dip, guys. It is time for the favorite part, the taste test. We're zooming over here, so if you see the ring light. So, Palmini noodles with the lasagna.
Well, that was just your lasagna. Palmini noodles. Okay, here's one.
Okay. Honest reaction. Yay or nay?
It's not pasta.
Not pasta, for sure.
It's not pasta. But it tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
I just wasn't expecting the texture.
What is the texture? Is it crunchy? Is it like, what is it?
It gives me...
If you cut it up, I will say it's hard to come out of the pan.
It's giving
so
me
like, again, you guys know, we will be honest with you.
A cucumber
Cucumber, is it?
Cucumber-ish.
Oh no, I haven't tried it.
Crunchy-ish, like
Crunchy. Interesting.
it's totally vegetable. Almost lettuce.
Lettuce?
Look, thicker.
What? Okay, I gotta try this. Hold on.
So I just tried it. I see what he's saying, but I don't mind it. You have to cut it into pieces. You have to cut it up. Because if you take like a big piece like he did, is it pasta? No. No.
Not pasta at all.
No. So maybe we've been spoiled by like the Noodle pasta and all of the other things, whatever. But it's also 2 grams of net carbs. So this is fantastic if you like, you know, like zucchini, like the zucchini noodles with
that's
like
what it reminds me of, like
zoodles.
zucchini, like that's what I said, like cucumber, like
Right.
squash, whatever. Like it gives me that texture.
So if you like zoodles and you know how they make the sheets of zucchini, then you will like this, and it's so much easier. So for a quick, easy dinner, so he's clearly eating
But
more.
it blends into whatever you're making so well.
Right.
Like that could be spaghetti too, like, and you can just, like the noodles, you can make
Right.
spaghetti noodles at the same time.
For sure.
Very, very good. But
So it's a win. It's super easy.
It's a win.
But it's not pasta.
It's
Like
not
if you're
pasta,
expecting
don't
pasta,
expect it.
we'll be honest with you. This is not pasta. But if it does it give you that lasagna fix? Yes. So thank you guys so much for chilling out and making lasagna with us today. Make sure you follow us at BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize because you're worth it. Check down in the description box. Pick up some perfect keto products, and we'll see you in the next video.
no,
Bye,
guess I'll be
guys.
eating.
Yes, eating. Me too. Yay!